to Daily News Updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring to you the latest maritime daily news in a concise short-form video format, a first-of-its-kind initiative in the shipping industry. Please subscribe for regular updates. Before we proceed with the news, we are pleased to announce the upcoming 12th edition of the Asia Dry Bulk Cargo Summit, DryCon 2026. The summit will once again bring together key stakeholders of the dry bulk trade for a full day of knowledge sharing and networking. We look forward to seeing you there. Make sure to register today. Deen Dayal Port to begin site work for India's first 150 ton per day plant. Deen Dayal Port Authority will commence site work for India's first 150 ton per day e-methanol plant at its Kandla facility, the authority announced. The project was described as a landmark for port-led industrial development and for the country's clean fuel agenda. The plant capacity of 150 ton per day positions it as a small-scale demonstration facility intended to validate technologies and operational models. Preparatory surveys and ground clearance are expected to be the immediate focus. The release associated the initiative with broader efforts to promote alternative fuels and listed Assam petrochemicals among topical references, indicating industrial interest. Centre approves 797 crore rupees green hydrogen jetty at Paradip Port. The Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways has approved the development of a dedicated jetty with allied facilities for handling green hydrogen, ammonia and other liquid cargo at Paradip Port at an estimated cost of 797.17 crore rupees. The project will be implemented by Paradip Port Authority on a build, operate, transfer basis. The proposed facility will have a handling capacity of 4 million tons per annum and is designed to strengthen Paradip Port's role as a hub for green energy cargo. The infrastructure will include a dedicated jetty, storage systems, pipelines, handling equipment and associated facilities. Steel price hike likely in March quarter, JSPL, JSW top picks. Another round of steel price hikes could be approaching, with private steel makers better placed than public sector undertaking peers, according to Aditya Velekar, senior research analyst metals at Axis Securities. He expects seasonal demand recovery and easing import pressure to support domestic prices. Quarter 4, the January-March quarter of 2026, is a seasonally strong quarter, usually for metals and steel in particular. In March, we could see price hikes. It cannot be ruled out at this point, he said. India scrambles to secure oil supplies as US-Iran tensions revive Strait of Hormuz risks. The escalating tensions between the US and Iran over Tehran's nuclear program has once again put the spotlight over the Strait of Hormuz, a key passage for India's oil supplies, underscoring India's vulnerability to any disruption of the route. To secure its supplies, India is accelerating its purchases of crude oil from alternative suppliers, deepening its term contracts, while drawing up its strategic petroleum reserves amid rising geopolitical uncertainties. India's crude purchases through the Strait of Hormuz have increased in the past 2 months, touching 2.6 million barrels per day as of February, against 2 million barrels per day last year as the country stepped back from Russian oil imports and turned its back to its traditional suppliers in the Middle East, data from data and analytics firm Kepler showed. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.